Did that stink bug taste good? Tell everybody good morning. Sasha girl. Tell everybody good morning. We're done hibernating, right? The blizzard's passed. We're gonna go outside. Oh yeah. First we gotta show everybody Toby's alive still. Yep. He's been going. Oh, he's up. Oh, there's Alice. Working away. Go to bed, Alice. And clearly, Sadie the Sable Shepherd has been on the couch. Jeez. What the heck are you doing over there? I don't know, Tobes. She's on the sauce again. We'll try to get you outside too, but I doubt it's gonna work. All right, this one here hasn't had much exercise in the last couple days, but guess what? Guess what, Saints? Somebody got you something. This person right here, Susan Halleck. I think she's gotten you about 90% of your SOJs. And you, most of your bully sticks. She's very nice. She did get Cave Mom and Cave Dad a little something. But check this out, Saints. What? Oh. We're gonna go outside. Oh, I know. Jeez. All right. You ready? Let's go. Let's go, girls. Oh my God, Sasha's coming out. Let's say we got a little bit of snow. Yep. I got a new one for you, Sades. Sadie's got her squeak back. Go get it. Hopefully you don't lose it. Good girl. Oh my gosh, you are happy. Squeak, squeak, squeak. Come on, Saints. What are you saying? Happy girl? Not happy Sasha, I know that. It's beautiful out. Just a couple inches. Sadie. We'll delete that out. Don't worry, we won't salt the TMZ. Let's go. Come on. Let's go. Bring it here. Yeah. I gotta have it. Great, we're under attack. Get him, Sasha. Get him, Sasha. Want to say hi? Are they violating Shepherd airspace? Absolutely. Ready? Go get it. Oh. Did you fall? You didn't see the pile of snow? Poor baby. We'll have to review the footage and see if that was on camera. Okay, where'd it go? You gotta find it. Oh, I see it. Sades, it's right here. Get it. Right there. Yes. Good girl. Poor baby. I know you gotta shove your nose in that deep snow. Get it. Come here, catch. Yeah. Boing, boing. It's a snow dolphin. It's a snow dolphin. Oh, poor Sasha. She's trying to follow. Do you feel bad? I kind of feel bad. Oh, she's got snowballs. All right, let's go take her inside, and then we'll come back to this fun. Yes! Poor Sasha girl. Maybe I should put a jacket on. Poor little werewolf. You got snowballs? Okay, get in there. Is she blocking you? Okay, Sades. You got your squeak back. Hey. Good girl. Crunch, crunch, crunch. There's Diesel, boy. Let's go see Diesel. Oh, we lost it again. You're not gonna go say hi? You're not gonna go say hi to him? Okay. Oh, she wants to go inside too. Why didn't you tell me that? Pretty girl. Why didn't you tell me you wanted to go inside? All right, let's go. You gotta put your SOJ away though. Drop. Good girl. I guess we're going in. Good girls. Tell her, hey, watch out. Watch out. Snow face. You gonna tell everybody? You're gonna tell everybody have a good day? Good girls. Come here, Sasha. Come here. Come here. Tell everybody. Tell everybody. Oh, cutie. Cute girls. That's the werewolf. All right. We're out. I'm out. Ooh, your hair all over? Are you excited? Who am I kidding? Our videos are never over when we say they're over, huh? So, she also got you guys bully sticks. Yeah. You want one? Sasha girl? It's a little big for you, but you can handle it. Can't you, werewolf? Good girl. You're gonna take it to your den, I know, your lair. Sadie girl, you're gonna go to your bed. Oh, you have to check it? Oh, yep, that's a good one. Off to the bed. Good girl. Enjoy. Enjoy, beautiful girl. Toby, enjoy the messed up couch. Oh my God, it's Caveman Dad. And Sasha will be in the doorway. Then she'll take it, yep, to her lair. Have fun, werewolf. Now we're out.